Okay, hello students. So again for you, chapter 2, linear equations in one variable. As we have studied earlier in last exercise, about the linear equations and how we solve linear equations in one variable when the variable in left hand side or right hand side, means any one side, and constant is another side or both sides. This is the problem about what we have learned in last exercise. And after next exercise, we have also learned how we create the equation by given problems and solve them. But today we will discuss. I am going to explain before you how will we solve the linear equation when it has variable in both sides, means left hand side and right hand sides. So I will explain with the help of the question of exercise 2.3. Question of first, 3x plus equal to 2x plus 80. So first try to understand what is the difference between this exercise and exercise about what we have learned in exercise 2.1. So 3x is the first question, equal to 2x plus 80. So what is the basic difference? Basic difference is that here 3x variable in left hand side and right hand side also have variable, same variable, okay? Because the chapter related to linear equation one variable. So how will we solve in this case? So first we collect the variables in one side first of all. So 3x and 2x here, when we transfer 2x to left hand side, we know that 3x minus 2x equal to 80. It is easy to us. So when we subtract 2x from 3x, what do we get? We get x is equal to 80. This is the answer. Means is the value of x for this equation. But question is not complete now. Ask solve the following equations and check your result. So check your verification of result. So I am going to verify it. So write here verification. Or checking the result. So what did you do? So put x is equal to 80 in given equation. What is given equation? 3x is equal to 2x plus 80. And now we put x equal to 18 in the given equation. When we put x equal to 18 in it, we get 3 into 3x means 3 into x. So 3 into 18 is equal to 2 into 18 plus 80. Now we can solve 18 3 is 54 and here 18 to 36 plus 80. So 54, and when we add 36 to 80, we always get 54. So we can see that left hand side is equal to right hand side. So result is correct. Means when we put the solved value of x in the given equation, we find that the value of left hand side must be equal to value of right hand side. Then we confirm that the solution is absolutely correct. Okay. So now second question of the same exercise. NCERT book, second question, exercise 2.3. .3 5t minus 3 equal to variable in this equation is t. equal to 3t minus 5. So according to first rule is collect the variables in one side, this left hand side. So transfer 3t from right to left, 5t minus 3t equal to, because it is positive here, so when we transfer to left, it will convert into negative. So minus 5 and minus 3 from here to it will plus 3. Clear? Okay. So 5t minus 3t is 2t. 5t minus 3t equal to 2t equal to minus 5 plus 3 means minus 2. So t must be equal to minus 2 divided by 2 and t is equal to minus 1. So again we are going to check answer is correct or not. So putting t is the variable here, so t is equal to minus 1 in equation 5t minus 3 equal to 3t minus 5. So we are going to put t is equal to minus 1 in place of t. So 5t means 5 into t means 5 into minus 1. Minus 3 equal to 3 into minus 1 minus 5. So 5 minus 1 and 3 minus 1. 5 minus 1 equal to minus 5 and minus 3. Here 3 into 1 minus 3 and minus 5. You can check both the sides are equal and solve. Minus 8 equal to minus 8. So again write left hand side equal to right hand side. So result is correct. So there is no problem here to confuse about the answer because we directly check if answer is correct or not correct. And next question, third question of the same exercise. Five x plus 9 equal to 5 plus 3x. So student, I want to explain for you that the equation given question for as similar as last question, because same step you will apply variables, transfer one side and constant another side, and applying the operations, then you can find the value of x. So I hope you should solve. You do yourself. So using two steps, first find the value of x, and second don't forget to check the answer is correct or not. Okay? So now next one, question number 4. Four is 4z plus 3 equal to 6 plus 2z. So don't confuse about the equation because the variable is changed in this equation. Variable is used z in place of x. We can use any other variable also, a, b, c, x, y, p, q, whatever. So here z is, x is replaced by z in this equation. So again applying the same operation means 4z and 2z transfer from here to left, so convert minus 2z equal to 6, and 3 from left to right the sign should be changed minus 3, and we subtract 2z from 4z, we get obviously 2z, and here 3, and z is equal to 3 upon 2. This is the solution of question number 3rd. Now check verification of answer. Put x is equal to 3 upon 2 in 4z plus 3 equal to 6 plus 2z. So value of z equal to 3 upon 2. I am going to put in place of x and in place of z. So 4 into, what is the value of z? 3 upon 2. So 3 upon 2 plus 3 equal to 6 plus 2 into 3 upon 2. Now solve. 2 2 are 4 and 2 3 are 6 plus 3 and 6 plus 2 cancel plus 3. So we get 3 plus 6, 9 is equal to 9. So left hand side equal to right hand side. So result is correct. Okay. So next one is question 5th of the same exercise. Fifth question is the same as question number 4. So write 2x minus 1 is equal to 14 minus x. So as you saw last question, vary correct one side, then find the value of x, and don't forget to check your answer. Okay, so you should do yourself to make a practice carefully and learn how we solve such type of question easily. Now question number 6. Sixth question, 8x plus 4 equal to 3x minus 1 plus 7. Actually all the questions are same and pattern also same and easy, but some different and little difference with the solution. So I am going to solve all the questions with difference process here. So these are some different steps. 8x plus 4 is equal to, so first explain, open the bracket and using distributed law. So there is no right and no need to write here what rule you are going to use here. So only use that 3 into x, 3x and minus 3. Here is plus 7. Now collect the variable on same side. 8x and 3x transfer from right to left. So sign should be changed minus 3x. And when 4 transfer from left to right, minus 3 plus 7 minus 4. So 8x minus 3x is 5x, and we see minus 3 minus 4 minus 7 and plus 7. So you know very well, minus 7 plus 7 always equal to 0. So 5x equal to 0 and x must be equal to 0, must be equal to 5, and whenever you divide 0 by any number we always get 0. So x equal to 0. So again verification of the answer. So put x equal to 0 in the given equation. So write first verification or checking. Verification. Put x is equal to 0 in given equation. What is your equation? 8x plus 4 is equal to 3 and x minus 1 plus 7. So put x equal to 0. So 8x means 8 into 0 plus 4 equal to 3. So again x means 0 minus 1 plus 7. So here is 0 plus 4 is equal to. So 0 minus 1 equal to minus 1. So 3 into minus 1 plus 7. And 4 is equal to minus 3 plus 7. And 4 is equal to 4. Means LHS again equal to RHS. So you write result is correct. Okay. So this is the way how can we solve such type of questions. So next one is some little other difference. So I introduce you how will you solve such type of question, and then question number 7. X is equal to 4 upon 5 bracket x plus 10. So students, first we cross multiply and convert into proper equation. First 5 goes to a 5x is equal to 4 x plus 10. So 5x is equal to 4x plus 40. 4 into x, 4x and 4 into 10, 40. So transfer right to left. 5x minus 4x is equal to 40 and finally x is equal to 40. So check result yourself. I want you will check the result is correct or not. Okay. And the question number 8, 9 and 10 are using the same pattern. So student, see carefully. Question number 8, 2x upon 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x plus upon 15 plus 3. This is a question in which you will have the same process. Means first of all collect the variables in same side equal to 3 and 1 is transferred minus 1. So using the fraction law you can find the value of x. Means 15 here, 3 5 here, 5 here 10x minus 15 1 means 7x is equal to 2. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So here 10 minus 7 3x upon 15 is equal to 2. 3 5 to 15 means x is equal to 2 into 5 is equal to 10. So this is the solution of question number 8, and same process you will apply on question number 9 and 10 and check yourself. So question number 9 and 10, check result yourself, and question number 9 and 10 do yourself, and you will face problem to solve the question. Then I will also discuss in next topic and next lecture. Okay, stay at home and stay safe. Thank you very much.